What's going on, guys? So, got ourselves a Cr125 here, and it's pretty cold out. We're up in North Idaho. We're going to see how she runs in the cold. As you can see on the phone here, 11 degrees. And we're up in elevation a little bit, so it should be a little bit colder. But hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, see how she runs. Okay, let's get her started. I'll put my hand on the pipe. Oh yeah, bone cold. Coldness kind of hurts. Okay, put our choke on. My gosh, it's cold out here. All you boys up in Alaska and like the Dakotas and stuff, you're gonna be like, oh, wimp. This is easy for you guys. But this is pretty cold for here. Yeah, she's still a little bit cold, but that was a good start. Go, boys. She fired right up. Dang it. Well, she ain't wanting to stay running, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. Like if you like, and keep on sending it.